LGU sa Northern Cebu at Philippine Coast Guard todo handa na sa bagyong Opong. Mula sa Brigada News FM Bogo, Francis Clamares, ibrigada mo!
Brigada Live Report.
Suspendido na ang pasok sa paaralan at ang iba sa mga lokal na pamahalaan sa hilagang bahagi ng Cebu bilang paghahanda ng bagyong Opong ngayong araw, September 25, 2025 na posibleng tumama sa hilagang bahagi ng lalawigan. May mga alerto na din na ipinahayag ng mga tanggapan ng Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office ng iba't ibang bayan. Nag-abiso rin ang PCG Northern Cebu Station sa pagkansela ng lahat ng uri ng biyahe sa iba't ibang pantalan at ma-activate na ang Deployable Response Group ng PCG Northern Cebu bilang paghahanda sa bagyong Opong.
Coast Guard Station Northern Cebu, sir. We already have a 3-day preparation before the expected hit of typhoon in our AOR. This is with the guidance of our commandant and our district commander, Admiral Bibat. So, with that 3-day preparation, on the first day, I already instructed all my personnel on the area to conduct foot patrol and coastal security patrol para ma-inform lahat ng mga tao on the preparation of the upcoming typhoon so that they can also prepare ahead of time. Also, on the second day, we asked all our personnel from our substations to coordinate with the local government unit and have a meeting so that we can have the support of the LGU when it comes to preparation and deployment of our personnel, if in case needed, for in relation to the typhoon. And then yesterday, we just ensure all our assets are operational and has fuel to make sure that if ever needed, we can definitely deploy them to those areas where they will be needed.
Napag-alaman rin na may mga pasaherong stranded sa iba't ibang substation sa Northern Cebu.
223 passenger that is across all ports in Northern Cebu. And then we have 211 rolling cargoes who are also stranded. And then 7 motor bangka. And then 15 stranded ro-ro or vessel within our AOR.
Sa ngayon, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang monitoring ng mga tanggapan ng bawat LGU para sa kaligtasan ng mga mamamayan. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Francis Clamares sa 90.9 Brigada News FM Bogo City, the Music and News Authority.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa atin ng NutriCleanse Herbal Capsule. Linis tiyan, sexy tiyan.